Meanwhile, another vaccine is one step closer to release. Moderna will ask for emergency use authorization for its vaccine, and it can't come soon enough. Coronavirus hospitalizations hitting an all-time high as travelers come home from Thanksgiving gatherings. ABC's Andrea Fujii has more from New York.
As coronavirus deaths increase in more than half the country, another company hopes to bring its vaccine to market. With a 94% efficacy rate, Moderna says it is filing for emergency use authorization with the FDA.
The vaccine is expected to be highly effective at preventing symptomatic disease and very effective at preventing severe outcomes from the disease.
It will be the second company to seek approval for a vaccine behind Pfizer. A record number of people were hospitalized over the weekend for COVID-19 in the U.S., over 93,000, and more than 130,000 people testing positive Sunday. But the COVID tracking project warns those numbers may not reflect all the cases, since the Thanksgiving holiday may delay some results. Despite CDC warnings not to travel, the TSA screened more than 8 million people at U.S. airports over the Thanksgiving holiday, and health experts are worried.
2 or 3 weeks down the line, we may see a surge upon a surge.
In Indiana, hospitalizations there have never been higher.
And it's not just about dying. There are countless more that will have lifelong disabilities from this.
Each case, every death, affecting so many families. Over the weekend, a Texas community gave Raiden Gonzalez a special 5th birthday as he celebrated without his parents, who both died of the virus. In New York, Governor Andrew Cuomo announced a new phase in the war against the virus. The main concern, hospital capacity.
If we hit a real hospitalization crisis, we could potentially do a New York pause.
One of the differences between the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines is how they're stored. The Pfizer vaccine requires a specialized freezer, while the Moderna vaccine can be stored in a regular freezer or refrigerator. Sources tell ABC News some Pfizer vaccines have already been distributed, ready for when the FDA gives them the green light. Andrea Fujii, ABC News, New York.